Ouch! What the fuck, Twinkle? What the holy fuck? I kid you not, there is no internet connection in this jungle. Just like to swing. Went to check on boys.
Were somehow managed to escape, but the accident was brutal.
But I'm doing a lot of cardio since 2 days. All my friends are back. I don't know where. Ouch! I'm drenched in my own sweat. For dinner. That's our travel guide. Doug is running behind. Is Doug going to come in the tent? You know what? मैं ये बकबक बाद में करूंगी. पी पाके हो गया तुम लोग? Twinkle Jane X. X stands for extraordinary, guys. आप शादी से पहले यही कर रहे थे. Have to be awake but sleep. Like I can be awake, I can sleep, but I should subconsciously be awake. Good morning, guys. Yes, this is morning. This is not night. We were supposed to actually be ready by 4:30, but we woke up at 4:30 and we got ready, and it's like 5:30 right now. And this is how the view looks like, and it's also drizzling. Can you believe that? And now we will go to waterfalls. So we are all ready. We are waiting for other people to get ready, and then we will move to our journey. Ouch! What the fuck, Twinkle? What the holy fuck?
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है.
Anyways, so that's my luggage. ये टेढ़ा क्यों हो रहा है? I don't get it. But now I'm going to keep this luggage in the bus so that later I can just chill and sit near where there is full Wi-Fi connection. I kid you not, there is no internet connection in this jungle. Like literally no internet connection. And there are room Wi-Fis, but they ain't working. Only the cafe wala Wi-Fi is working. So that's the cafe and the room is there. So technically the router is not giving signals enough to the room. But we managed. And this was just one night stay. So now I'm just keeping my luggage. I just love the slides. Luggage रख दिया है गाड़ी में. And I didn't do any fit check, right? I don't know where I should keep my phone. Let me show you my outfit.
लेकिन ये साला कर क्या रहा है यहाँ पे?
Stickpad, don't do such things. I trust you. Over a 2 lakh rupee phone.
चले एक काम कर, 200 रुपए दे और 50 रुपए काट ओवर एक्टिंग की वजह से.
I guess I'm not visible at all. I'll do it later. This is my outfit check. Now I'm gonna swing. Just like to swing. You must be wondering why is she all alone? Where are the other people? They haven't got ready yet. Fuck. I actually woke up at 4 because she told me to get ready by 4:30. But I woke up at 4, but then I slept for 5 minutes, and then again I woke up at 4:30. But I'm still ready and the others aren't. So the other girls with me went to check on boys first.
राजा जी अपनी शक्तियों का पूरा इस्तेमाल कर रहे हो.
It's 6:30 and now we are boarding our bus. Honey! Apparently someone met with an accident aage somewhere, and now we all are stuck. Until it's clear, no one is gonna get out of here, and neither we can go from the other lane. Only like short gaadis can go. Big buses can't go. All the buses and trucks are like standing.
Our driver somehow managed to escape, but the accident was brutal.
We finally reached to the place where we are supposed to see the waterfalls. It's called Vibhuti Waterfalls, and we halted near the waterfalls only to have breakfast because it was already very late. So we didn't halt any other place, and I had Maggie and thumbs up because there's no tea. This will keep me sane. Now we'll go inside. It's like 1 kilometer of walking, और अभी तो half kilometer भी नहीं हुआ है और मैं half रही हूँ. The way is quite beautiful yet dangerous. But I'm doing a lot of cardio since 2 days. This is too much walking. Oh fuck. What a beautiful pathway. I just love this. All my friends are back. I don't know where. Ouch. It's okay. Oh fuck. Oh, this is so beautiful. Look at it. Oh. Look at me. I'm drenched in my own sweat. But we almost reached to the waterfalls. It's right there. Then with waterfall got changed, and now we are heading to Honavar boating. But before that, I need to do my makeup a little bit at least. So I'm gonna do it in the bus because it's very hot outside, and I already started sweating. So once the bus starts, the wind will come in, and then I can easily do my makeup. This is what I am having for lunch. I never eat this much. We are now at Honavar boating, as you can see at the back, and this is what I'm wearing, and we'll go to boating.
So from boating, we came to Palm Grove, and they have so colorful and aesthetic picture locations. Done with boating. It was a very good experience. We halted at one place, and at one place it was just the view, but it was too much fun. And now where are we going? I don't know. We will see. Yes. Where is Botegal? Now we came to this famous Murdeshwar temple, but sadly I am not going to the temple, so I am going to the beach. After enjoying my time at the beach, I came to this market nearby and got few stuff for dinner. That's our travel guide.
कोई तरीका है भीख मांगने का?
So we are here for the dinner, and this is my group with whom I am traveling. After dinner, and then we came to this resort. It's a beach resort. So there is the beach, which probably is not visible right now, but I'll show you in the morning, hopefully. I don't know if I would be able to show you guys or not, because I'll tell you why. Plus, I'll tell you this, that we are staying in these tents. Yes, we are staying in tents. What a nice experience is this. Like, this is very thrilling, and it's gonna be a memorable one because I'm doing this for the very first time. And after reaching here, first thing I did was take a shower and get into normal clothes because कपड़े काटने को दौड़ रहे थे मुझे. और अब मैं आपको ये टेंट बता रही हूँ. मेरा टेंट वो वाला है, नहीं ये वाला है, नॉट ये वाला, इसके पीछे ब्लू वाला. हाँ ये ब्लू वाला, ये वाला, हाँ ये ब्लू वाला है. और मेरे साथ एक जन और रहेंगे. It's 2 person in one tent. They also have rooms, but खाली रात का like मुझे सिर्फ 3-4 घंटे के लिए चाहिए. नहीं, like 2000 rupees. इसमें तो मैं 4 ड्रेसेस खरीद लूंगी. खैर, तो मैंने नहीं लिया. मैंने सोचा छोड़ो कोई नहीं. अब आधा से ज्यादा ट्रिप में मैं एडजस्ट करते आ ही रही हूँ, तो अभी और एडजस्ट कर लेंगे. अब जा गई. Doug is running behind. Is Doug going to come in the tent? I don't think so.
रहा नहीं जाता. तड़प ही ऐसी है ना. नहीं, it's okay.
But this was really fun. Like, this is a one of a kind experience because normally मैं जब trips पे जाती हूँ ना, you know what? मैं ये बक बाद में करूँगी.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
For now, I'm just gonna chill here and yeah. This is a very cool husband of someone.
Yeah, Shreshta's husband.
Yeah. कौन बोला? पी पाके हो क्या तुम लोग? ये लोग पी रहे हैं? आप ठीक हो? आप ठीक हो? मिल जाएगा दूसरा केक.
YouTube का भी चैनल का नाम तो बोलो.
बोलती हूँ, रुको. Twinkle Jane X. X stands for extraordinary, guys. आप मेरे हाथ ऊपर ऐसे पकड़ के.
लाइव है क्या?
लाइव नहीं है. So for now I'm just gonna chill.
लाइव पे चलो ना फिर. कितने आदमी हैं? लाइव कर दो.
अभी रात को 12 बजे लाइव कौन रहेगा?
90% जिसको शादी नहीं हुआ ना, वो 3 बजे तक कुकिंग वीडियोस देखेगा.
तो आप यही कर रहे थे, मतलब शादी से पहले? आप शादी से पहले यही कर रहे थे?
3 बजे के बाद
So I'm just gonna relax and take this soft breeze. I'm just loving this. Plus I just took head baths, so my hair are very soft right now. Obviously अब swimming वो waterfalls में और कल swimming pool में and कल हाँ वो river में भी गए थे तो बाल पूरे 12 बज गए थे. Now it's like very soft and good. So we're just gonna chill. I'm not gonna sleep. I mean, like, do you think मैं 3 घंटे में सो के उठ सकती हूँ? It's not possible. It's like practically not possible. So I'm not gonna sleep. I'm just gonna chill and feel the vibe of sleeping because 3 घंटे है मेरे पास. Moreover 6 घंटे यहाँ से अगर हुबली जाने में लगने वाले तो मैं 6 घंटे बस में सोऊंगी ना. That's how your girl works. और फिर ट्रेन में तो I have to be awake but sleep. Like I can be awake. I can sleep but I should subconsciously be awake and
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
बहुत ज्यादा ही बकबक हो गया. Okay, bye.